So General Muhoozi's Twitter account has just been returned. The first time, the guy said, I am back. There has been likes and also some other people already commenting. When you see the number of followings, it is indicating 0, and also the number of followers, by the time I checked, was around 19. So it is still counting, going up. Why does this happen? That's the question. But previously, when Muhoozi deactivated his own account, it also behaved like that. And after the suspension which took place, it is also happening the same way. Now, let me explain to you. This can be explained in 4 different reasons. When an account is suspended on platforms like Twitter or X, Instagram, or TikTok, its followers may appear to drop to 0 for several reasons. 1. Account invisibility. A suspended account is often hidden from public view, meaning its followers and following accounts may not be displayed. The second one is automatic removal from followers list. Some platforms remove suspended accounts from follower list, causing the follower count to drop. And the third one is temporary display issue. Sometimes the platform temporarily resets follower accounts to 0 while processing the suspension. If the account is reinstated, the followers might return. Then the fourth one is policy enforcement. If an account violated policies severely, the platform may delete it permanently, making it impossible for followers to remain linked. So, for the case of General Muhoozi, it is number 3, that is temporary delay in showing this metric. So General Muhoozi is back. I think it's not a good news for the opposition like Bobby Wine. It's not a good news for Kizza Besigye. Could also be a bad news for the general from Iteso, that is General Peter Ilualo. So the missile himself, General Kenneth Muhoozi, is back. So let me know in your comment what you think this time around it will be. Will it change for good, or will it continue the same style, the controversial way? Thank you.